So this review is for the rechargeable chainsaw. Comes with a user manual, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It does say that it works with the Makita cordless batteries, and I have the whole set. So of course I have an actual Makita cordless battery, and as you can see, it absolutely works with the battery. I'm not going to show you how it cuts because obviously it cuts. It's got a really nice chainsaw there. So it comes with an extra chain, which is really nice. The screwdriver to put the chain on, and then a little bottle for the oil, but it does not come with the oil. No big deal. You generally just buy bar chain oil at the store or on Amazon. But in any case, it's really handy. It's not lightweight. It's lightweight for a power tool. It's obviously the battery that weighs the most. So if you take the battery off, it barely weighs anything, maybe a pound. I don't know, you can look on the specs. But it's a really cool little chainsaw, and I'm putting in with my Makita cordless tools.